Welcome back, everybody, to Full Stack Forex. You already know what it is. If you don't, you better ask somebody, guys. Today we are trading day 6 of trading the NASDAQ using the CNBC 330 strategy. Let's get into it, guys. We're a little bit late, but let's push. We go into our CNBC app and let's just open it quickly. So let's just see what our market has in store for us today. Okay. So let's see. Let me just refresh. You want to continuously refresh. So as you can see, it's pretty much negative across the board except for Tesla, which is positive. So this should be interesting to see, what happens in the market. And let's get into it. See how the market is reacting to this. I'm gonna draw a trend line in the meantime while this is loading. It went and changed. Okay, let's see. What did I do there? And delete. Yikes. No. See, look at that. Let me show you this candle. Yeah. No, this is... What's going on this week, guys? What's going on this week? Whipsaw effects all the way. Look at that. They were going to take everybody out here at the bottom, take us all the way to the bottom, take people's stop losses or take profits, whatever, and then go back up here again and hit people's stop losses. This is a trap. This is a trap. Let's go back to the chart and see. I mean, to the app and just check the change. Okay, now it's going positive. Yeah. On days like this, I would avoid the market. I wouldn't trade. It's too choppy. Amazon is negative, Tesla's positive. Then you have some of the companies, Facebook, Netflix, Apple, that are positive change, but the others are negative. No. Let's calm down for today. We can rest. That's another thing about the markets. You don't have to force a trade every single day, even though today is Wednesday, which, like I said, is one of our high volatility days, good volatility days. But hey, just looking at the way the market is moving, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Because let me just show you something quickly. I mean, okay, look, now it's edging to the bullish side. Wait, let me just make sure. Look at that change from all the way negative. First, it had to hit everybody's stop losses first, and then it went back, and then now it's going into profit. Or it's going into the bullish side, not into profit. Not in this trade. Not today. Yeah, now look, the percentage change is going positive. I'm guessing Amazon will also go positive soon. Yeah, because look at that, it's negative 0.31% over here. No, this is going to change soon to positive. Oh, it can change soon. Look, now it's negative 0.15%. There's a good chance of this going positive. And these two also, they're not far from going positive. So looks like we're going to have some positive change, but I just don't like how far down it went. How far... So this is where you see the brokers working. This is where you look at that. They took us all the way down here and then went back up. Okay. Yeah, it's tricky business, guys. But remember, like I always say, full transparency. I'm showing you guys what's happening in the market live as it happens. So let's see. Let me go on a bigger time frame to get a better view of the market. So we'd had this trend line up here, and we can ignore these other small ones. These are from smaller time frames. So yeah, we had a break. Let's go H4. Okay. See here, we've got a bit of a double bottom situation here. No, this is still gonna go up. Just here, double bottom here. It's almost like a head and shoulders. Here's one shoulder. Here's the head. Here's another shoulder, but not a clean one. It's more double bottom. I see a W. You see the W here? Yeah, double bottom. This one's it's gonna go up, but it might retest our zone here. So for it to break, for us to go negative, we have to break through this area here, or this green area here that I shaded. But it's fine. So right now, let's see where we are. You see that? It's interesting because here, look, we made a high, made a low, made a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. This is a bit of I think we're going sideways now. Because normally for the market to go positive, we'd have a higher high and a higher low, then higher high, higher low. That's how you know we're in an uptrend, or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Sort of a zigzag pattern for us to know. So what can I do to, let's see. Hold on. Guys, let me just explain something that I was, let's go on color. Let's choose white. Something that I was showing you guys. I said, in order for us to be in an uptrend, we need to make a high, and then a low, and then a high, and then low, and then a high, and then low, and then we'll carry on from there. But you have to pay attention to that spot, that spot, that spot, that spot, that. Where is it? What's going on now? Okay, and that spot. So you want to make, I'll come back here, and there we go. There's our line. So here we're gonna make a high, a higher high. So I'm gonna call it HH, a higher high. Then here we make a higher low. Then here we make a higher high, and here we make a higher low, meaning this low is higher than this low. And then here we make a what's going on now? It's not allowing me to draw. But up on top here, you'd have a high, and then here we'd have a higher low. That's how you tell that you're that we're moving into an uptrend. And if we're going downtrend, vice versa. This thing's sort of a lower high. Lower high, then a lower low, lower high, lower low. But if you see, there's a weird mix of, there's a higher high, higher low, then there's a lower high, lower high, then you know the market is moving sideways a bit. Just wait a minute. We're moving into a sideways market. So as I was saying, wait. In the markets here, looking at the 4-hour time frame of the Nasdaq, I noticed that same, can I say, trend. We're here, as you can see here, we have a high, then we have a low, then we have a higher high, fine. Then we have a bit of a higher low here. I can't really count this one because of the wick over there. Then here we have, a higher low, but then we have a lower high, and then we have a lower low. And now we're seeing a bit of a lower low, but we don't know where, a lower high. So seemingly the market was sideways, but now it's trending towards going bearish. So here, I'm assuming somewhere, somehow the market is going to go down. But once it gets here, if it breaks through this zone, we're going to have a nice movement down. if it can break through here, if it can break through here, break through that zone. It's a bit of a tight zone. So if it breaks through, we can maybe check here, which was a bit of a resistance. Resistance point here might be our support, but only if it breaks through here. But again, I don't want to give too much deep market analysis. I'm just showing you guys that there is technical analysis involved, even if you're using the 330 Cnbc strategy, right? So you have to combine your technicals and your fundamentals, right? I don't know if I mentioned in one of the previous videos where I said you want to look at what is the chart saying technically, what are the fundamentals saying, fundamentals in terms of um, now let's just say using our CNBC strategy. So maybe not even fundamentals, rather the volume. What is the volume in the market saying? Volume is the amount of traders, the sentiment. It's are the people in the market, are a lot of them buying, a lot of them selling. So you want to look at that. And then last but not least, you want to look at the day or the session that you are trading, right? You want to trade high volatility days and high volatility times if you're using a breakout strategy or a trending strategy. If you want to use a sideways strategy, then that's a different, that's a different strategy that you use, or method or timing that you use. So, comment down below, guys. I have been seeing your comments that you want. I think somebody commented. I think they wanted a video on which are the best days. So that video is coming, guys. I'm making those videos for you. So for the people that are commenting, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will continue. I'll be making the videos. You'll see the videos being posted as they come. So this video is just part of the series. But for now, let's quickly just show you again back to our M15 just to close out the video. Look, it's going all the way up. It's going up, but look how it's playing. Look how it's playing here. This is dangerous. Because look, it would have hit your stop if you entered a sell. Look here, it would have tricked you, and you would have thought it's a breakout, and then it goes all the way down, hits your stop loss over here, right? And then if you were in the buy side, would have went all the way down, killed your stop loss, and then now it's going up. This is something's going on here. So again, this is why lot sizing is very important, guys. So today I don't think we're going to enter this. I think I'm going to look for a bearish setup. We're going to see. We're going to trade what we see. We're going to trade what we see, of course. But based on the H4, we'll see if we break through, continue to break through here, then we're going up, bullish. The overall trend is bullish. But I think we might just see one more touch down here. So we'll just wait for that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Please make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, everything, guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Please join the family. Please join the team. Full Stack Forex signing out.